In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring events in Google Calendar on your mobile device. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of those regular activities, whether they occur daily, weekly, or at any other ongoing interval. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Google Calendar app on your mobile device. It's that convenient little icon that looks like a calendar with the number 31 on it. Once you've got that open, your starting point is to create a new event. You'll notice a create button, usually represented by a plus sign located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap that. After you've done that, the next screen will present you with a few different options. You'll want to select event from the list. This is where you can add essential details like the title of the event and the time it's set to occur. Don't forget to include any additional information that might be relevant to your planning. Now, as you set the time for your event, keep an eye out for a section on the screen that says does not repeat. This is your gateway to setting up a recurring event. So tap on that area. What happens next is a menu will appear in front of you. This menu offers a variety of recurrence options such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the one that best suits your recurring event schedule. These selections help streamline the repetitive nature of scheduling similar events multiple times manually. If your needs are a bit more unique than the standard daily or weekly recurrences, there's a custom option available for you. Selecting this will allow you much greater flexibility. For example, maybe you want an event to occur every 14 days, or perhaps you need to specify particular days of the week. Additionally, you'll have the ability to input an end date for this series of events, giving you complete control over how long this repeating event should continue. Once you've configured how often your event should recur, make sure to tap either Done or Save to apply your changes. This step is fundamental to ensuring that the recurrence settings are locked in. The final task you need to complete is quite simple. Tap Save in the top right corner of your screen. This action will finalize the creation of your recurring event. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring event on your Google Calendar using your mobile device. Remember, being able to schedule recurring events effectively can dramatically improve your time management. It provides a clear structure for your days, weeks, or even months. Practice using these features, and you'll find it becomes second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to experiment with these tools to find what best meets your personal or professional needs.